Well, what's up guys? So today I'm finally going to be putting new slot rotors and Hawk pads. The rotors are from R1 Concepts, and like I said, Hawk pads. I already finished the passenger side right now. Let's go ahead and check it out. Looks good. Still got to finish up the rear. Got the Hawk, and you can't see, it's two performance pads. These were the OEM ones. See how they're all cracking and stuff? Shot out. All bad. Well, look at my rotors, guys. These were hella bad. Look at all the hot spots on them. And they're all warped. I was getting a lot of shaking on like when I would do high speeds and like brake all of a sudden. Steering wheel will start shaking. I already knew what it was. I was just lagging a little bit on it. Rotors had hot spots. There were warps. Pads were fine, but the rotors were gone. So yeah, guys. So I'm gonna have a little scene for you guys, just watching me replace them and all that. So let's get to it. All right, then, guys. So the camera was being a little bit weird. Didn't record what I just did right now, but peep it. Peep it. Rich. Ooh. The fuego. Oh no. Alright then guys, so we're gonna start on the rear now. So this time, hopefully the camera not tripping out or anything like that. A little sweaty as well, but yeah, I'm gonna record a little bit of the rear so you guys could check out the process and all that and stuff, guys. Not too difficult. If you guys do have any questions of how to do the pads in the front or in the rear, anything like that, you guys could always hit us up on our DMs and Instagram, or just comment and we'll always reply back. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so what's up guys? Just finished up. I'm gonna wrap up this video quickly. Camera's about to die and all that. Sorry if the video's a bit short. Camera was acting up and all that, just being retarded. But yeah guys, just want to give you my little thoughts on the brakes and the rotors. As soon as I put them on instantly, I can notice a huge difference in the stopping. Very sensitive now compared to the OEM pads and rotors, but I like it. Shout out to R1 Concepts and Hawk Performance pads. If you guys want to keep more updated of the cars and all that, just follow us on Instagram. We usually post more there than on YouTube, just mainly since we're always busy and all that, whatever. But go ahead, let's check it out real quick. Fresh. Still have to break them in a couple thousand, not thousand, but a couple miles, I would say, a good 100 miles around there. But they look pretty good. Main reason I got the pads and rotors because I was experiencing shakiness. Steering wheel was vibrating or shaking every time I would do like high speed braking and all that. I think I already told you guys, but yeah, that already went away. It's gone. So straight. So alright then guys, we'll try to stay more up to date on uploading content and all that. We're sorry about that, Greg and I, but stay tuned please. Peace.